everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're making strawberry-filled fondue. The ingredients that we're using are chocolate chips, oat milk, maple sugar, marshmallows, strawberries, and that's all for ingredients today. The items that we're using are a syringe, a plastic straw, a fondue pot, watch out, it's hot, a knife, a cutting board. Guys, the first step is moving over to the fondue and putting it on warm chocolate setting. Guys, now we want to grab our marshmallows, put them in. Grab some milk, shake it up, put it in. It'll start to smoke.